Hello everyone, this is Eason from SMAT Machinery. Today I will show you the template delivery of our 4x50 10 cement silos. First, let's check the main silo plates. We use thickened Q235B steel with anti-corrosion coating, section bolt holes for fluid sealing, and the modular design for easy on-site installation. This packaged plates are ready for shipment into containers by forklift. Next are air pipes and cables for the pneumatic system, plus a full set of standard parts, bolts, nuts, connectors, gaskets. We also include the sealant, sealing strips, and rubber gaskets to guarantee tightness and prevent material leakage. These are packaged in bags and placed under the silo plates to save container space. Then we load the full set of guardrails and leaders manually, which support daily maintenance and maximize space usage. Following are feeding and conveying pipes with thickened steel for stable cement delivery. To optimize space, we even place small parts inside the pipes before packing. These are large and small corn hoppers at the silo bottom, welded together for smooth and unblocked discharge. We tuck small hopper tubes into large forward leg to further save space. Then load hoppers, pipes, and other big components into the container. We also provide anti-slip, rear-resistant saturated steel plates for the maintenance platform. The silo roof cover is equipped with lifting locks, solidly structured and professionally anti-corrosion fitted. This is the top-mounted dust removal system. It efficiently separates dust and air during loading and unloading, stabilizes silo pressure, and fully meets environmental emission standards. Finally, we complete the loading for the entire 4x50 10 cement silo order. As you can see, we make full use of every corner of the container, ensuring safe, efficient, and cost-effective delivery for every customer. At SMAT Machinery, we always deliver reliable products and professional service to every customer worldwide.